Alright, final question. In the circuit shown, PQ is a potentiometer wire of length 100 cm. So accumulators X and Y have the same EMF and negligible internal resistance. So if the galvanometer shows zero deflection, what is the equilibrium length of the circuit? Okay, so if you don't know how to answer that, remember I've shown you an example where we can use, in the notes we can use directly this formula here. Okay, so let's try and use that. Okay, so it's okay, let me just try and do this. Okay, so we are gonna use the equation, but first LPQ is equal to 1 meter and EMF X is equal to EMF Y. Okay, so remember we are going to use potential divider, which is the ratio of V, R, and L. Okay, so we can directly use EMF 1 over EMF 2 equal to L1 over LPQ, which is the total. Okay, L1 is just, actually I'm not going to label it as L1. I'm going to label it as L. So L over LPQ. Okay, so for EMF1 is only up till equal to I 5R plus R saja. Okay, why am I not adding this one is because the galvanometer is connected at this point. Okay, so only up till this point is where the galvanometer equal to 0. Okay, so that's why we have I equal to 5R plus R, and then the total EMF pula I 5R plus R plus R. That is the total EMF. Okay, and then from here we have L, so LPQ is just 1 meter lah. Okay, so from here we can then just calculate it, and you should get the value of I ini boleh cancel lah. Okay, so it is basically, you will basically get berapa ni, 6 over 7 lah, 6 over 7, which is equal to 0.857 meter. Okay, boleh faham kah? So if you look at this, we are actually using the concept of resistance, the ratio of resistance against the length. Okay, sebab sekarang ni kita dah tahu the value of V. The V is equal kan, so dia akan jadi 1. So we can use R, the ratio of resistance and length. Okay, so that is the usage of potential divider in this question. Okay, alright, so next, the connection is now modified to be here. Okay, so again, in that case, it will become apa dia punya soalan? How should the jockey be adjusted for the galvanometer to have 0 reading? Okay, so from here, we are gonna calculate the balance link. Okay, the balance link we are gonna use R against L lah. Okay, but now the resistance here, the jockey is connected up till this point here, so it will include all the resistance. Okay, so over dengan the total resistance pun sama juga, so 5R, R, and R, so it will be the same. Okay, so equal dengan the link yang we are looking for is the balance link. Where should it be placed? Where should the jockey be placed? So ini yang kita akan cari. So over dengan the total length LPQ. Okay, so dari sini kita akan dapat 1, so equal to L. So L is equal to 1 meter lah. So the jockey should be placed at point Q. Okay, so the how should the jockey be adjusted? So jockey should be placed at point Q lah. So the difference of the balance link is L minus, saya dah tulis, I'm just gonna label this as initial link ini initial link. So this is L apostrophe, so 1 minus 0.857, so this is 14.3 centimeter. So it should be displace 14.3 centimeter to the right. Okay, so hopefully you are able to answer the potentiometer of your question well. Answer the question for potentiometer very well. Okay, so please do the exercises so that you can enhance your skills in answering questions on potentiometer. Okay, so that is the end of our tutorial chapter 3.